Okay, today we're gonna start with morning work, like always. And today I have something with us that's gonna help us with a portion of our morning work this week. And maybe you guys remember this. It's been a week, but I think you probably know. What is this? Yeah, it's our 100 from our calendar time. And does anyone remember how many tens are in this 100? 10. If you don't remember, let's count right now. So I'm gonna take this zero, the hero, off. And then now we've got a bunch of tens. Let's count how many tens we have. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Each of these is a bundle. How many is inside this bundle of sticks? Yeah, 10. If I take this zero, the hero, off, we can count my sticks. Let's help me count my sticks. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So if I was gonna count how many sticks I have all together, I would have to count by tens. And we've been working on this a lot during calendar time right before we left. And so we're gonna do that together right now. And so we're gonna count by tens, we're gonna do it just like we were doing with different voices. So we're gonna start with our kindergarten voices, okay? So help me out here. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. Good. Let's do a whisper voice next. And this time I'm not gonna hold my sticks. I'm just gonna use my voice. Help me with a whisper voice. Ready? 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. Good. Let's do our crocodile voice. Ready? 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. Good. Now let's do a little squeaky mouse voice. Ready? 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. Excellent. And our last voice today, we're gonna do a ghost voice. Ready? 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. School's here. Today for morning work, you're going to be starting with a subtraction problem. So in order to do this problem, you are going to count how many birds there are all together, which if we count that, we would find 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So we're going to write a 9 right here. Then we're going to count how many are crossed off, and we would find that we crossed off 4. So we'll write a 4 here. So 9 minus 4 equals, and you're going to count how many are left there and write the number there. Then for this one, you're doing an addition problem, so you'll count how many bees there are and write that number here. Then you'll count how many hives there are and you'll write that number here. And then you'll write how many there are all together. You're going to count how many are here and write the word that matches for each of these. And here are the words up here. So you have the words 7, 5, 9, and 2. This problem is why we practice counting those bundles by 10. So if we have one bundle of sticks, just one, how many is that? Yeah, 10. So right here, we're going to write that number because there's 10 in that one. Oops. How many bundles are here? 3. So with 3 bundles, we're going to count by tens. 10, 20, 30. And so we'll write our number 30 right here. Oops. On the back of morning work today, on this box, you're going to color the word that starts with a BL. BL says blue. The word that starts with CL, you'll color red. FL, fool, you're going to color orange. GL, glue, you're going to color green. And SL, you're going to color purple. We have a blanket, flower, club, globe, and sled. Then here you're going to color the 2 letters that flip-flops start with and the 2 letters that glue starts with. Then down here you're going to read this word. Don't forget sneaky E makes the vowel say its name, say its long vowel sound. So with this sneaky E here, this A is going to say A. So this is the word k, ape. And this is the word k, app. And you're going to draw a line to match the cape with the word and the cap with its word. You're going to read this sentence and color the picture down here that matches it. And then down here, you need to write this sentence correctly. Don't forget, what do we start a sentence with? Capital letter. And then don't forget, at the end, we need an boop. We're going to need to write our period when we write our sentence again on this line down here. That's your morning work for today. Today for your math paper, you're going to start by coloring the dogs that look the same to be partners with the other dogs that look the same. So I used an orange crayon and I colored the shaggy dog orange, and then I colored the other dogs brown. You can choose whatever colors you want to use. How many of these shaggy dogs do I have? Will you help me count them? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So in this circle right here, you're going to write your number 5. Then let's count how many of the other dogs we have. 1, 2, 3, 4. That's our other part. So we're going to write that number right here in our other part box. This is our whole number, which means we want to know how many dogs we have all together. So for this circle, we're going to count all of our dogs. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So in our whole number circle, we're going to write our number 9. You're going to do these 2 on your own. For phonics this week, you're going to be continuing to work on both some short vowels and long vowels. To help you out with this, I wanted to make sure that we reviewed all of our vowel sounds. So we're going to start with our letter A, and we're going to do our 5 vowels. A, E, I, O, U. And we're going to do both our long and our short vowel sounds, and it'll look like this. A, apple. E, elephant. I, igloo. O, octopus. U, umbrella. This week, some of you are continuing to work on our short A sound that says apple. Others of you are going to be working on our long E sound that says E. And when we have that long E sound, we have two vowels that are going walking together. This week you're going to have the first one is two E's, E, E. When they go walking together, the first one does the talking and it says its name. So it's going to say E instead of eh, eh. So this first one will do the talking and say E. The second one will stay silent and it won't say anything at all. The other way that we spell the E sound is with two vowels again, but this time it's an E and an A. Again, when two vowels go walking, the first one does the talking. So those of you who are working on our long E sound, those are how you are going to be spelling that E sound on your papers this week. Others of you are working again with the sh sound, which we know from last week is an S and an H together. You're also going to be working on the TH sound. And TH, we hear it in our word Thursday. And it starts with our tongue, and we're going to stick our tongue out and trap it between our teeth. Thursday. Do that with me. Thursday. Thursday. That TH, when we put them together, it doesn't say t. It says. Those are your phonics sounds for this week. All right. We have a special guest here today to tell us our mystery word.
Today's mystery word is hen.
Can you write it for yourself today? The word is hen. Like a chicken, it says cluck, cluck, cluck. Today for reading, you're again going to do the reading activity with some comprehension questions. And on the back today, we're continuing to work on words that rhyme. And remember, a word that rhymes has the whole end sound is the same. It's not just the last letter that you hear, it's the whole ending of the word. The first letter changes, but the last sounds we hear are all the same. To help you with this, I want to make sure we know what all these words are on our paper. So on the top we have sad, hen, bat, dog, fed. And down this side we have cat, log, bed, dad, 10. Let's do the first one together so you know what you're supposed to be doing. So we're looking for a word on this side that rhymes with the word on this side. They're all going to have one partner. So you'll be drawing a line from the dot to the dot on the other side that rhymes with that word. So this first word is sad. So we're looking for a word that rhymes with sad. So in the word sad, the ending sound we hear is ad, s-ad. We're going to be looking for a word down this side that ends with ad as well. How about cat? Does that end with ad? No. So sad, cat, those don't rhyme. How about log? Does that end with ad? No. So sad, log, those don't rhyme. How about bed? Does bed end with ad? Close, it does end with the d sound, but it has an eh instead of an ah. So sad, bed, those don't rhyme either. How about sad, dad? Does dad end with ad? It does. So sad, dad, those rhyme. So we're going to draw a line from this dot all the way down to this dot by dad. You're going to do that with each of our words today so that you rhyme each one.